Speed, power, extra premium, turbojet. Heard of these before? Sure, you must have seen these during a visit to a petrol pump. Or was it the attendant at the petrol pump pestering you to fill up your car with a premium fuel, also claiming that it'll increase your car's power and mileage? Well, here's your boy back again with another video investigating the curious case of premium fuel in India. Hey guys, my name is Utkarsh, this is Go Mechanic Myth Busted. Let's get started. Alright, so before diving into detail, you must know that here in India, primarily there are three types of petrol. One is normal, then there is premium, and finally we have high octane premium. Now, to understand the difference, we need to walk through a few jargons and terminologies. So, bear with me, it's interesting. First, we need to know about octane number. A fuel's octane number is one of the things that often gets misinterpreted. Just to make myself clear, a higher octane number in no terms gives a boost to your engine or increases its performance. So what exactly is octane number and what does it do? Octane number is used to measure the anti-knock properties of a motor fuel, such as petrol. In simple terms, the octane number is a factor which denotes how much heat and pressure the fuel can withstand before igniting. Remember this, the higher the octane number, the more the fuel can resist heat and pressure before combustion. Just for you to know, here in India, the standard petrol is the 91 octane, which is your normal petrol. The premium fuel, on the other hand, is also 91 octane but has additives and detergents mixed into it. These additives play an active role in cleaning up the sludge and carbon deposits on the cylinder wall, valves and the valve seats. The result is a cleaner, smoother and a little more efficient engine. However, this fuel has an octane number upwards of 95. Fun fact, before the implementation of BS4 emission norms in India, the regular unleaded petrol dispensed at the petrol pump was rated at 87 octane. Now, however, almost all the fuel stations have switched to standard 91 octane. Now, I'm not forgetting my diesel bros. Let's talk cetane number. Similar to the octane number, cetane number is the quality or performance but of the diesel fuel. The main difference between cetane and octane rating is that octane rating represents how well a fuel resists heat and pressure before ignition, whereas the cetane number measures the delay in ignition time of the fuel. Let me break it down for you. A higher cetane number simply translates to the minimal delay from when the fuel is injected into the combustion chamber and when it is ignited. Now coming to the premium diesel fuel, like the turbojet. These two contain added detergents and additives but are not superior in terms of cetane number. Now all comes to this, which one to choose? Now with the basics clear, let's get back to the question. Which is the right fuel for your car? Talking about the normal fuel, this is what most of us go for. And it is perfectly alright for everyday use. And this will keep your engine running healthy for long. Coming to the premium fuel with additives and detergents. Premium fuel has actually shown its ability to clean and desludge the engine. But getting premium fuel every time will have zero to little effect on the engine's efficiency and performance, which you would hardly notice, but your wallet would. However, it is recommended to fill up your car with premium fuel once in a while, just to clean the engine of sludge or carbon deposit. Don't make it a regular thing though. Now, what about high octane premium fuel? Well, this type of fuel is specially formulated for high compression engines, mostly found in high-end sports cars and motorcycles. Filling up your regular car with high octane fuel will have no effect on performance or efficiency. Also, your wallet would hate you. Still confused which fuel to choose for your Rampiari? Whip up your car's owner's manual and check which fuel is prescribed by the manufacturer. If it says 91 octane, stick to 91 octane. Well, that was all for today's episode of Go Mechanic Myth Busted. Join me in another episode where I'll tell you the AMT transmission and its working. Give us a thumbs up if you like such videos. Press the subscribe button to, subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell to stay updated with all our uploads. My name is Utkarsh, bye bye and happy motoring.